Alright, due to the mounting expenses of this bike build, I'm afraid I don't have much of a choice but to reuse these roached out old side covers here. It'll be a challenge, but I think I can breathe new life into these guys. Like this guy here, pretty heavily damaged. Like there's some deep gouges and spots here. Of course, scratched up pretty good. I feel like I can probably bring this back to life here. This guy though, even though there's less overall damage, other than there's this big gouge right here, apparently from the presumably from the shift lever, I'm guessing. Yeah, I don't know. The letters, these raised letters, are not so raised anymore. They've been worn down pretty good. You can see it down at the end here where the eye is. It's kind of right down flush with the case. Yeah, I mean, I'll give it a shot. See what I can do. See if I can salvage these letters at all. I mean, if not, I'll just file the letters right off flush with the case and paint it and throw Prime MX adhesive protective cover on it, which I do have. I kind of ever since Cam passed, I kind of don't want to use them, to be honest. You know, it's kind of weird. Anyways, yeah, I'll start with a file, I guess, and try to get rid of the the gouges here and try to flatten it out a little bit. See if I can save those letters. Same with this here. I'll start off with a file, maybe a Dremel bit. Smooth it out, get rid of the gouges, try to make those letters pop again. Throw some paint on it, see how it looks. Anyways, time to get at it. Okay, here's the side covers after the first round of cleaning them up. Still not entirely convinced I'm going to be able to save those letters. They're really pretty heavily worn. Anyways, see what I can do. This is a result of using files, a rotary tool. It's basically a Dremel knockoff. Some sandpaper. I'll try to resurface this mating surface here. Looks like somebody went at it. Some pretty aggressive sandpaper or something. It's pretty heavily scored. So, anyways, yeah, this one should turn out pretty decent. Managed to clean that up pretty good so far. So yeah, so I still gotta go at it with some sandpaper, I guess. Next higher grit, whatever that is. I don't know what I'm at now. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna wind up putting them in the sand blaster there, or the media blaster, and dull the finish, I guess, to so that they'll allow paint to stick to them. I'll have to be careful though, because this I think this is, yeah, it doesn't say, I don't know, this is magnesium, this might just be aluminum. It's hard to tell. The magnesium, this seems to be kind of soft. I mean, the material seems to be coming off pretty quick and easy. So yeah, so I'll have to be pretty careful with it when I put it in the Media Blaster. Okay, I finally managed to get some paint on these side covers, these engine side covers. Of course, first I ran them through the Media Blaster at work to give them a dull yet consistent finish, which I believe is ideal for paint adhesion. And then I painted them with high temperature primer and paint, a light coat then a medium coat of each, and then I put them in an oven at work for one heat cycle of 400 degrees for I don't know, it was at least half an hour. I know that's only one of the 3 overall steps for curing the high temperature paint, but I figured these side covers will likely never get up to that temperature on a regular basis, so I believe it should be fine. Well, we'll see, I guess. Anyways, the next step, of course, will be to try to sand off the paint on the lettering so that it stands out. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Okay, so I managed to get the paint sanded off these side covers here. They didn't turn out perfect, but you know, I'm going to call it a win. I think I managed to accomplish the task at hand and take these busted up old side covers and breathe new life in them. I mean, there was you can still see a little hint of where that big gouge was. Managed to smooth it out quite a bit, and I mean, this this high temp paint that's on here, it's pretty good for protecting these things. Case in point, this one here, I actually of course dropped on the floor while the paint was dry but not cured, naturally. So yeah, so there was a few little scratches that I just touched up. I mean, I sprayed some paint on a Q-tip and just kind of dropped it onto the spots where it was scuffed up. But yeah, I mean, this looks substantially better. You can kind of see right down here where the light reflecting off it right down here. That was all worn. There was a very heavy, very deep grooves worn into this cover down there. So I managed to get that all smoothed out. There was a big gouge up here. Still, again, little hints of it. So yeah, I mean, they look really good from a distance. Yeah, I'll put up some before and after pictures up here so you can see the dramatic difference. But anyways, yeah. So one obstacle overcome. Fair bit of money saved. Dolling these 2 little things up here. So, anyways, on to the next project.